University Chrome Hobby 6-box break. This is random letter. Sorry, random letter number 15. All right, drew 4 spots on random.org. There are no trades in the chat. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Bowman Chrome U. We are Victor Wembanyama, rookie card hunting. Good luck. All right, everybody. Before I get started, I'm actually going to go ahead and drop some links in the chats. Goodwin Champions, you guys. We are doing a full case break of Goodwin Champs. Only a few spots left. 16-box break. Michael Jordan, Tiger Woods, Wayne Gretzky autos. Go check that out. All right, let's get started. Good luck, everybody. Let's get a banger auto. Let's try and get some good draft autos for you guys. All right, guys, we are looking for 2 chrome autos per box. 2 chrome autos per box. Here we go. Good luck, good luck. Suspects. Man, you guys, it is toasty. It is toasty as hell over here, bro. I feel like this light is just cooking me. For real. This light out over my head is cooking me right now. I'm going to get all red and everything. Come on now. Dude. Dude, I know. Isn't that crazy? It's already July 1st. Damn, I know. We're basically in a freaking tin can, you know? Nah, hey, we making it work, though. I'll probably get a desk AC. That freeway, like, breeze helps sometimes, I guess. That freeway breeze helps sometimes. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Box 1. All right. For the Volunteers, there's a Julian Phillips. Kamari Lands, Rasir Bolton. There's an Aqua, Juju Watkins. That's out of $2.99. Juju Watkins for the J spot. So there's a Ja spot, JA, and then all other J spot. Just so everybody knows again, that is going to the J spots, not the JA spot. All right. Jared McCain. Bruce Thornton, Tyrese Hunter. There's a Skyscraping, Cam Whitmore. Juju Watkins again. Zion Cruz. There's a Sky Clark Khalif battle. There's a Bowman Invicta, Jordan Walsh. Caitlin Clark base card. Solid one to get. Caitlin Clark for the C spot. Chris Murray. There is a Judah Mintz. This one? Yeah, yeah, dude. This is basketball. Oh, this is not Bowman's best. Skyscraping, Arterio Morris. Jaden Zachary, first auto of the break. So this is going to be going to the Ja spot, JA, and that is going to D Hughes. Congratulations. Lava. Let's see what this is numbered to. To 199, Jaden Zachary. Congratulations. Again, that is going to D Hughes. First auto of the break. All right. Purple, Seth Triumble. That is non-numbered purple. Jordan Walsh. Jerace Walker. Hansel and Manuel, Drew Timmy, Avery Anderson. All right. right. Still looking for that second auto, you guys. Good luck. Jordan Walsh. Bruh. Oh my God. Go Jalen Hood Scafino. Another one for the jaw spot. Jalen Hood Scafino. Again, that is going to the J.A. spot. D. Hughes, congrats. That is the 50. Congratulations. Second auto of the break. All right. DJ Horn. Judah Mintz. Jalen Cook. Grady Dick on the Raptors. There's another Judah Mintz. MJ Rice. PJ Hall. There's a purple Nick Smith Jr. The purples are none. That's out at $3.99 actually. This looks like a purple speckle. No. Nah. That dude was doing too much, man, that draft night. He was doing way too much. Come on. He was like, man, Drake better follow me on IG. No. Come on, dude. Jared McCain. Got the G. I don't even think there is. No, there is. Damon A. Damon's got the G spot in this break, though. All right. Closing out that first box. Second box coming up. 2 of 6. Good luck. G spot. I used to play. This is the widest shit ever. We used to play Pirate Bingo at Christmas parties, and every time they would do like a G when you play bingo, like G, my dad would be like, G string, Gmail. And they would say like Oprah. He'd be like, yeah, I don't know. Good old memories. That's what I think about when I think about that, though. Shout out bingo. I mean, Pirate Bingo. Exactly. WPS right there. Mm-hmm. That's how you know. Dude, I legit, I had a list going on at one point. There's a lot of stuff. WPS. All good, Damon, all good. Jamming out, I see, all right. That's a Filipino thing. Yeah, it's actually good. I don't do that, no. Nah, I do Hey, man, I be chefing it up, though. I make these meatballs. It has veal, beef, pork, and it's like a mixed Parmesan meatball. Hella good, man. One of these days, yeah, I will. I'll chef it up. I went by Chef C's for a minute for a reason, y'all. Come on. That actually it kind of like rolled off the tongue, and then people just started calling me that. But then I was like, well, I can't cook, so it's valid for that too. But hey, by the way, JC's not picking up any steam, so I'm gonna have to change that. I'm gonna probably, I don't know, dude. I'm not doing Jaja though. Nah. Oh, man. Too bad my middle name is not a J or something like that. Come on. All right, good luck. Here we go. Box number 2. Good luck, everybody. Bowman Chrome. 2 total autos we are looking for. Good luck. Here we go. Posh Alexander, Chris Livingston, Ashlyn Watkins, Frankie Collins, Katie Johnson, Kyle Lofton. There's a Julian Phillips, Bowman Invicta. Kiki Rice, Mikey Williams, Seth Triumble. Mikey Williams, wait till he gets in the league, you guys. That dude's going to be a star. Mikey Williams, Julian Phillips, Devin Carter. Roddy Gale Jr. for the R spots. Let's go to D. Hughes again. Damn. D. Hughes getting all the autos so far. Sticker auto. Congratulations. This looks like a base non-numbered. Yep, base non-numbered. Congratulations, D. Hughes. Adam Flagler. Jalen Hood Scafino as a non-numbered purple. Hansel and Manuel. Drew Timmy. Jackson Collar. Jerace Walker. Juju Watkins. Sky Clark. Jalen Cook. RJ Davis. There's a Tyrese Hunter. Speckles. These are numbered to 399 for the T-spot. And a Derek Lively. All right, closing out that half. Come on, baby. Let's get a good auto. See a gold coming up. Gold. Jaden Zachary. Another one for the jaw spot. Damn. To 75. That's a yellow, actually. Jaden Zachary. Yellow to 75. Going to the jaw spot, which is D. Hughes again. D. Hughes, man. We're not doing personal breaks. Come on, baby. Lauren Betts. Chris Murray. Bruce Thornton. Felix Okpara, that's a refractor. Colin Chandler, Posh Alexander, Darren Holmes, Katie Johnson, a Jalen Hood. Victor's base card is SP as well, I believe. Kyle Lofton. There's a Bruce Thornton Lava. That's to 100 for the B spot. Bruce Thornton. Kiki Rice, Mikey Williams again, Trey White. Chris Murray. Silver, Trey White. Zach Eddy. Purdue. Kyle Filipowski from Duke, Invicta. Tyrese Hunter, Bruce Thornton, Caleb Love, Ryan Nemhard. All right, you guys, let's close out box 2. Box 3 coming up. Good luck. Somebody go pick up those Dodgers, by the way. I'm going to check really quick. Hopefully they have been picked up. We can break Series 2 Jumbo if they have next. All right, that break is coming up next, you guys. Series 2 Jumbo coming up next.
Are you satisfied?
I am.
You didn't let me ask this question.
Satisfied they're sold out. What's the question? Oh, we didn't see it. We didn't see it. Hey, I saw Davey, though, last night.
You saw what?
I saw Davey in downtown San Jose. Yeah, we did actually, something like that. An udon place, pretty good. We did. Oh yeah. Hey, Davey was getting down. Hella random too. I recognize him. We honestly were just like turning the corner, and I was like, dude, what the hell? It literally looked like he just got off work, for real. You know how he was like wearing a hat like he just got off work or something. It was funny. It was like 10 p.m. I think or something though. No, I was just like, oh, I don't know. I guess I was looking, probably was wearing work attire too, but it was funny. Right in the middle of eating an ice cream sandwich. Box 3 of 6. Good luck, you guys. This will conclude the first half of the break. Hughes, what up, man? Oh, yeah, you're killing it this break. Hey, you're killing it. Got all the autos so far, I think, don't you? Jaden Zachary. Hey, last night, wait, last night, Friday. Did somebody ask you some questions about personal boxes last time when you were streaming? Okay, for sure.
Did you do it?
Yeah, I did. They literally came in, they were like, dude, are you opening that crown? I was like, wait, what are you talking about? I was like, I don't have crown. What are you talking about? And he's like, oh, it's a personal. I was like, oh, yeah, I'm doing it. I got a Jalen Williams to 49. I do. Personals. The reason why I was surprised, it was literally like right when I started a stream. Like they were like Johnny on the spot in the stream and stuff. It was good though. Hey, that's what we put it on the schedule for, right? Jalen Hood again. Caleb Love. Trace Jackson Davis. Shout out to the Dubs. There's a Mikey Williams again. Posh Alexander. Roddy Gale. Anthony Black. Jed Howard. Nick Smith. Kajani Wright. There's a Brandon Miller. Bowman Invicta. From Bama. Roll Tide. Devin Carter. Skyscraping Nick Smith. Drew Timmy. Caitlin Clark auto. There we go for the C spots. There we go, baby. Who's got the C spot? That is going to Hoffboy. The sniper. Steph Curry of women's basketball, I've been told. Didn't you say that, C-Rad? I don't know. Somebody. Yeah, people are saying that. She's a sniper. Unlimited range, Caitlin Clark. Damn, we got one. Let's get a Victor still, though. That's a good one to get. Caitlin Clark. She gets buckets for sure. All right, there's a Will Richardson from Oregon. That's a base purple, though. Ernest Uda. By the way, C-Spot. Again, Hoffboy. Congrats. RJ Davis. Damn, okay. Victor coming up soon, hopefully. Come on. Sky Clark. Mark Mitchell. There's another Caitlin Clark base. Amari Bailey. Derek Lively the second. Skyscraping insert. Congrats to the D-Spot. That's going to D Hughes again. Sticker auto. Skyscraping. Congratulations. Zion Cruz. Mikey Williams. Kyle Lofton. G.G. Jackson. TJD. Roddy Gale. Jared Bynum. Tyrese Hunter. Purple. That's a $3.99. Nick Smith. Lauren Betts. Saw her play in real life, actually. Lauren Betts. Tyrese Hunter. Way better, dude. Zabir better than CMC.
Oh,
Raiders.
This is why he's the only guy that ever make it through my training program. You better not be going home 6 miles an hour, Jacob.
Nah.
Listen.
Never again.
Listen, you want to be a part-time breaker here? That's the one that's like the summer.
You gotta cross over.
Never, dog. I'm gonna have to hustle my way then after. Hey, go get your GBD, bro. You know what? That's not a hard trick because Angels. I guess it's not always true.
Hey, it does help though. Does help. Being a winner is always good, you know. Damn, dude, we got one of the big ones. Caitlin Clark. Okay. Gotta love it. Good to see, man. Good luck. Second half, everybody. First half was a success. Oh, hey, that's pretty cool. Don't got a random it then, right? Good luck, you guys. Here we go. Box 4 of 6. Second half of this break. Good luck again. Try and get another one of the big names. Yo. Oh, man. All right, you guys. Good luck. Here we go. Come on, Wemby. Where you at? Come on, baby. All right, that green, I think that's out of 99. We'll see. We'll see. DJ Horn. PJ Hall to 99 indeed. PJ Hall for the P spot. RJ Davis. Grady Dick. PJ Hall again. LJ Cryer. Gigi Jackson. Ashlyn Watkins. There's a Julian Phillips. Invicta. Jalen Cook. Auto. Felix Okpara for the S spots. That is going to Mulehop. Congratulations. There you go. Oh, that is out of 499, by the way. Okay, that looks like a refractor auto. Couldn't tell at first. This is a base, right? Yeah, Caitlin Clark's base auto. All right. Grady Dick. Julian Phillips. This is base. Purple. Zach Eddy. RJ Davis. Mike Miles. All right, closing out that half. Chris Murray. Mark Armstrong. Bruce Thornton. There's an Otega Owe out of 199 blue for the O spot. Khalif Battle. Drew Timmy. Jerace Walker. Silver Caroline Ducarme for UConn. Shout out to the women's UConn program, by the way. Also, shout out to South Carolina's women's basketball team. Best team in the nation last year, I think, right? So cool. Them in Stanford. I got a chance to work one of the Stanford women's games, actually. Stanford women's. Shout out to their basketball program over at Stanford. Jordan Walsh auto for the J spots. Not the JA spot, but the regular J spot. That is going to Hoffboy 24. Congratulations. Base Jordan Walsh from Arkansas. Jared Bynum, Kiki Rice. Nick Smith, Roddy Gale, Jared McCain. All right. All right, you guys. 2 boxes left. Here we go. Here we go, yo. Here we go, yo. So what's the scenario? Yo. Here we go, yo. If anybody in the chat is waiting for Series 2 Jumbo, that break is coming up next, all right? That break is coming up next. Come on, baby. Let's get a Victor. Let's looking for that redemption auto. Come on now. Looks like some more gold or yellow. All right, good luck. Here we go. Come on, Wemby. Hansel and Manuel. That dude just stud as well. Jackson Collar. Zion Cruz gold shimmer to 50. Congrats to the Z spot. That is going to D Hughes again. To 50. From DePaul. RJ Davis, DJ Horn. Judah Mintz, Jalen Cook. Anthony Black, Grady Dick. LJ Cryer, Jerace Walker. Juju Watkins. Jackson Collar again. RJ Davis. Amari Bailey. Judah Mintz. Jalen Cook. Otega Owe. Auto for the O spots. That is going to Skyman. Congratulations getting on the board. Grady Dick. There's a Kalel Ware, base purple. Armando Bacot, Jed Howard. All right, that's closing up that first half. Second half coming up. Good luck, good luck. PJ Hall, Sky Clark, Katie Johnson, Big Kahuna, Gigi Jackson from SoCo. There's a Caitlin Clark base card. Kyle Lofton, Caroline DeCarme from UConn. Yellow to 75. Congratulations for the C spots. Hoffboy. There we go to 75. Nick Smith, Kiki Rice, Mark Mitchell, Chris Murray, Brandon Miller, skyscraping, Tyrese Hunter, Lauren Betts, Mark Armstrong, Bruce Thornton, Julian Phillips to 299. Looks like an aqua. Adam Flagler, Jerace Walker, Hansel and Manuel, Marcus Sasser. All right, that just goes out that box. Last box of the break. Good luck, you guys. Come on, baby. End it with the banger. I have not, no. It's hard to, yeah, I know. I need to, this next week, try and ask him about it. Last box of the break. By the way, if anybody in the chat is waiting on Top Series 2 Jumbo, we will get right into that. After this break, just got to give me a couple minutes to put this other break away, and we'll get right into that PYT. I was thinking that too. What is it going to be? Marvels. It's just straight up Marvels? Like that's the group? Really? I haven't even heard of that. What the hell?
Captain Marvel, Miss Marvel, and it's the black kid that got her powers from her mom.
That sounds cool though.
She was in WandaVision.
I know who you're talking about. I can't put my.
She got her powers at the end of the show.
She got just like witch powers, didn't she?
She's no. She's the kid of Captain Marvel's best friend.
Oh, yeah. Dude, it's been a minute since I've seen that movie. I remember, though, that they were like pilots, right? Yeah. That's weird. Have you seen that? Did you see that new show they released? The Nick Fury one?
Oh yeah.
I think I watched one episode. Need to watch that second one.
Probably
Though.
watched the first episode of Bowman.
Oh, really? What'd you think?
The first 2 episodes.
What'd you think?
Pretty good.
Yeah. Dude, Oscar Isaac. I need to rewatch that show. If there was a show I'd rewatch for Marvel, it'd probably be that one. He's a really good actor. I like Oscar Isaac. Jed Howard, Posh Alexander, Kajani Wright, Chris Livingston, Khalif Battle, Jordan Walsh, Hansel and Manuel, Drew Timmy, Matas Buzelis. All right, Damon, we got you one. Matas Buzelis looks like a small forward. Hey, man, you never know with these international prospects. Think about it like this. Let's see where he's going. It's a Chicago kid. Okay. Congrats, Damon. Think about it like this, though. Last top 3 picks from this most recent draft, only one of them went to college, you guys. Wasn't even one of the big schools either. One of the big basketball schools, at least. Although Alabama is definitely starting to make way in NCAA basketball. Obviously, they're established in football, but you know what I'm trying to say. Victor, International, Scoot in the G League, NCAAs. There's a Mikey Williams insert, by the way. Scoot. Tiger Campbell. You see Dame requested a trade? Probably going to the Heat. Yeah. It actually is, though. It's kind of like, who was just going to say I went out first? That's kind of what it felt like for freaking years. Ayanna Patterson. Dude, you know what I was thinking would be a good sleeper pick? I don't think Zion would want this, but dude, if Zion could go to the Blazers, they could just straight up trade Dame for Zion. Get that Dame CJ McCollum duo back together. Ingram. Orange. Mark Mitchell. Just an idea, but never know. Yeah, dude. I don't know, because I feel like the Heat are the only team that are being talked about for Dame, but I think he has a no-trade clause. Damn, out of 25. There we go, Damon. Got you another one. Mark Mitchell. Did he get drafted, actually? I think that name sounds familiar. Let me look that up real quick. Mark Mitchell. It's probably 15 Mark Mitchells, though. All right, he still is... Yeah, it looks like he's still at Duke, though. But, yeah. Congrats nonetheless, Damon. Zion Cruz. Trace Jackson Davis. Chris Murray. All right. Hold on. Was that a Brandon Miller skyscraping, by the way? All right, you guys. Last. You know what? That was actually last box of the break. All right, everybody. That was it. Got one of the big ones, at least. There was a Kalen Clark. All right, once again, thank you guys all for tuning in. That was 2022-23 Bowman University Chrome Hobby. That was a 6-box break. Random letter number 15. Once again, thank you guys all for tuning in, and congrats to all the hitters. All right, you guys, like I said, just give me a couple minutes to get this other break set up. We will